Styles Handmade Creations, and today I come to you with another DAC unboxing. And this again is from my Black Friday sale. This time, look how big this box is, guys. Humongous! So, I have 4 in this one, so you know I give each one the individual time. I'm just going to take one out. Oh my gosh. I'm just going to grab one and look at it this way. Alright, there we go. Woo! This one, of course, you can see is got the blue holographic stripe. That means it is a square. This is a smaller one. I absolutely love this one. And to let you know, I got this one for my mom. Okay, so this one is called Psalms 8. Let's open it up. I've been wanting to see this one. Again, guys, my orders are all out of order, but y'all don't know how I order. I'm the only one to know that. I mean, you know, y'all just know I'm getting them, but some that I ordered before, you know, because remember you have Black Friday sale and Cyber Monday. Because Diamond Art Club had, they were going to do Cyber Monday, but I guess it was doing so well, they decided to release the other ones also. So it was Black Friday / Cyber Monday on Friday, I think, or Saturday. I can't remember what day it was. But they released a whole bunch, and I went crazy. Alright, so let's take it out. I wanted this one. This one was, as soon as I saw it, I was like, oh, this reminds me of my mama. And I'm going to read to y'all. I had it saved on my phone. There's the kit. And I think all the kits I got are squares this round. I mean, you know, for Black Friday. When I was looking, I was like, really? All of them are square? They are. Alright, so of course you got the sticker. Putting that one right there, because I'm going to put them in my book. Y'all already seen the kit. The square square toolkit. Same kit. This one is Psalm 8 by Mandy Manzano. Yes! I think she is one of my favorite, besides Chuck Pinson, of course. But I'm loving her images. She is known for the deep black lines. And this is a square, 56 by 76 centimeters, which is 22 inches by 30 inches. It does have 1, 2 ABs, and there are 60 colors. Holy macaroni. 60 colors. I think that is the largest I've gotten, guys. 60 colors? OMG. Alright, so let me pull it up on my phone. I took a picture of it so I wouldn't, when I eventually do this one again is for my mom. When I eventually do this, I'm going to, oh my gosh, all these pictures. I am going to put this saying at the bottom because I love it. So there's a couple of them which y'all will see that I got, and they have those meanings. So it says, a new commandment I give unto you. No, that's not it. That's not it. That's the other painting. Oh my gosh. Y'all know this is how it happens, right? I don't think that's it. That's not it. Anyway, I was going to read it, but I can't find it. I did that for the other one that I got that I don't have yet. They're trickling in, guys. But it's Psalms 8. Y'all look it up. I could ask Siri to do it, but you know. Y'all want to hear all that. Alright, so here's your step-by-step instructions. It also comes with a coupon code. There's the the drills. And I'm kind of glad this is not as long. I'm having some long and wide canvases, guys. But I can tell y'all, I am set. You hear me? When I retire, I don't have to worry about, I don't have any diamond paintings. I will have them. And I promise you, I got 2 decades before I retire. Y'all know what I'm saying. Alright, so let's show the schematic here, right here. That's the pasting area, which shows that it is the entire canvas. And it is Psalms 8, 22 inches by 30, 56 centimeters by 76 centimeters. Mandy Manzano and Diamond Art Club. Yes, I rolled it backwards so we can get a look at this baby. Oh my goodness, this is a perfect size. What is it, 56 by 76? This is a nice size, guys. Won't be too bad to frame. And for those that don't know, when you look at this size here for framing, that's what you look for. When you look for ordering a frame, you'll get 22 inches by 30 inch frame. That's what you will get. And that will just be on the outside of this canvas, guys. Right here. So you'll see the entire canvas. Alright, so, of course, Diamond Art Club fashion. You got the schematics on the top left, bottom right. 60 colors. I can't get over that. Let's lift this baby up. Look at the drill field. Oh, sticking to my hands. That's a good sign, huh? Look at those clouds. Wow. And I can see it shining. It has glitter on this canvas. That's amazing. Oh, my Lord. I can never. Look at this. Yes. Somebody's texting again. All right. Oh, my gosh. This is very sticky. And like every time you see one, yeah, I do this so it'll flatten out, guys. Remember, I explained that in all the videos. Let's see. I am loving the star shining there. The hands of the Lord reaching out and holding her. And she's got his finger. I am loving this. Do you hear me, Mandy Manzano? This is amazing. And I thought about my mom. You know, she's a Christian, and all this purple that's in here. When I first saw it, I was like, wow, Psalms 8. My mama would love this. Then this is a black lady. Look at this hair, beautiful, and that skin tone. Love it. Then these beautiful flowers. Look at here. Coming out of his hands. I'm loving it. Loving it. Clouds got purple hues. This looks like a... Is that the robe or a tree? I don't know what that is. It's probably a tree because these look like rose bushes or something. Oh my gosh. In heaven. Yes! I'm loving it. So let's look at... So y'all know I'm trying to do... I might do 2 canvases at a time because I want to work on something I really want to do that I'm going to keep for myself and then also for others. Alright, so this one has ABs and it's Psalm 8, and I could tell, I don't know if this is the new packaging or the old packaging, because the numbers are smaller, but it still has that strip. So I don't know, I think these are new ones. These are all new releases, so, oh my gosh. Oh, and they're getting on my nerves about voting. Texting me 500,000 times about voting, guys. Are y'all tired of that? I'm tired of it. Okay, so 1 train, 2 trains, 3, there's 4 trains. Well, this is a small one, so we'll start with that one. Let's see these beautiful colors, guys. I'm excited. So maybe they're doing the number smaller, but this stripes here, these things here, because this is a new canvas, a new release, so maybe they decided to do the number smaller. But these drills look great. So we got some 823, 797, 775. I love that baby blue. 435. Is that the skin? That might be shading on the skin. Oh, we got 2 bags of 3865. So off-white. 939. That's that dark blue, almost black. 434, more of that skin tone. There we go. Alright, then 739, that must be The other skin tone of the hands, probably. 3746. That's a beautiful purple. Ooh, I hope they got 550 in here. If not, I'm going to have to get 550. 898, that brown for the shading. Got 2 bags of 798, that blue. 820 purple. That's the purple they're using. 820. That's a pretty purple as well. I just like that 550, but that's a pretty purple. 3770, 738, 437, 433, 938. Oh yeah, that's some pretty. That's gonna be some pretty shading. And this one too, 436. Yeah. Ooh, look at this, 136. That is beautiful. That's the purple blue. That's what they're using. This is a full bag too, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, 550 might not work this time. I'm loving that. I have to see how it looks when I'm doing it. Oh, and then here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 4 bags of 310. That ain't bad. For Mandy Manzano, 4 bags of 310. And then the last one on this train is 823. It's another bluish purple. All right, and here we go. It's the medium train. That one probably just broke off. All right, so this one says 602. That's a beautiful pink. 3814, 3855, 900. That's a nice red. That's 900. 900. Okay. 600. 350, 211, 603, 991, that's pretty. 992, 991, 992, okay. 3854, 498, 993, 3371, that's a dark brown. Well, milk chocolate, not dark brown. 155, that's a pretty purple. 210, that's pretty too, lavender. 519, 334, 340, 3811. And then the last train should have the 2 ADs on it. We got 601, 413, these are tiny bags. 742, 3837, 317, 605, that's a pretty pink. It probably goes in the flowers. 814, 762, 415, 743, 351, 904, 907, 318, 905, 134. Now y'all know I know this 134. Randall Spangler, those are the dragon colors, ABs. I love these colors, so that's awesome. I will have extra. They always put enough plus some in each bag, so you have extras in case something is wrong with them. So I can use those for my dragons, leftovers. 604, that's a pretty pink. 414, 3819, and 3853. I thought I said 3 ABs. No, this is just got 2, 134, 136. All right, so let's see where they go. I thought I said 3, but I had to be mistaken. I only seen 2, and there's only 2 written. All right, so the 134 is that green, like I said, the dragons, like I do the Randall Spangler dragons. Y'all seen me do that. And that's number 1. I see a little bit here outlining the leaves. Number 1s. And then down here, just a little dab on these leaves. That's what that is. So yeah, there'll be plenty left over. And then 136 is that purple blue. Oh my gosh, number 2. So let's look. And I think that was a full bag. So of course, you know it's going to be all in this up here. Let's see. Number 2. Yes. I see it is outlining here. It's sprinkled in here. All up in here. And it's not this darker color here, guys. It's the lighter one right next to it. Oh yeah, it's all in the clouds. Yes. Ooh, that is going to be gorgeous. All in this here. Oh my gosh, that is going to be amazing. And of course, I'm going to have this shining. I don't know what's going on, why this not had no ABs. But I'll put some there. I need that to be sparkly. And then everywhere you see these clouds, guys, that's where that purple, got that purple blue. Oh my goodness. I mean, so you might as well pretty much say from the top to the bottom, it's going to be bling bling. Yes, that's enough there. I'm just going to put a little bit here for this sparkle. But yes, that is going to be gorgeous. Oh, I'm loving it. So this is Psalms 8. And again, I got this for my mom. I will be doing this one for my mama. I know I'm going to get it framed and everything for her once I get it done. And again, this canvas, all DAC canvases come with a lifetime warranty and free missing diamond protection. And it actually says that on the canvas, guys. I never told y'all that all these unboxings, but yes. Okay? So y'all let me know what you think, guys. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.